Here is my.
Exactly.
Here is the clicker.
Thank you. So the next step on the right, right? Thank you. How are you guys? Fine. So I never thought that I will speak today in English. This is my first speech. I thought I will speak in German. And before I start with the project QUASA, we had some partners before which are spoke about the project which connecting logistical things with blockchain. I wanted to introduce myself, how I involved in blockchain, and how I started with all the things with Bitcoin and all the things. So my name is Eugene. I was born in Kazakhstan, moved to Germany with 10, and yeah, finished the high school there. Started with developing some web projects, websites, and after this, one customer come to me and asked me, "Here we go. I have 5,000 bitcoins for you." And then I thought, what can I do with it? Where can I buy my ice cream or something like that? And then I accepted PayPal. Would I ever do it? Yeah, and after this, when I saw in the year 2013 the prices rising up, I saw that I've passed the train and started with mining. Yeah, and that's how I've moved and joined some blockchain conferences, and the project I'm introducing today is the guys, the co-founders. I've met them at the Almaty at the blockchain conference 1 month ago. And as I hear the idea from them, what they want to do, I thought, wow, exciting. Because the thing is what Uber do, everybody, some of you spoke about Uber before. What Uber do, Uber connects people with transport, or the people who move from place A to B and transporting the peoples. And this is a project about logistical things. So we want to build up a blockchain platform, a decentralized platform which is inviting all the companies like DHL, DPD, or what else we have today on the market, and move after registration, invite the guys who want to transport their packages or their containers about the blockchain platform. So we have just right now 2.5 years opportunity to involve on this market. The founders, if you will have some questions, the founders will explain to you, because I'm not a technical thing. As I met the guys at the blockchain conference, they just invited me to be advisor and to start with the speaking, and yeah, I'm just trying. Yeah, and here we go. That's the companies we are working with right now. We are just 2.5 years on the market, and you can see on our website QUASA.net we have a just working platform where you can could see how the people join us and how all the stuff is working. So we're working with some insurance companies which are insure your product, which moving from place A to B, and the problems we want to solve, you see right now here on the slide. Yeah, I see it will be very quick presentation. The guy before talking about, no, that was a ma'am talking about the logistical thing where they are connecting with blockchain. It's similar. We have some partnerships with the companies right now, but we want to also to invite personal, like not the companies, like guys who just moving from place A to B. Just maybe, you know, in Germany, the company BlaBlaCar, it's moving from place A to B. And yeah, that's the same idea we're creating. Our model, our roadmap, you can also, to do it quickly, you can also visit the site and see our roadmap. We have just worked out a white paper, and yeah, you can join it, watch out. And yeah, let's do That's the roadmap. We started 2.5 years ago. Our partners are sitting in Kiev, the programmers. And yeah, I had a question before. Somebody asked me how many coins you want to use in your project. And the founder of the project told me it's open, so there's no limit. Yeah. And I want to tell you, as I started before, the project, the Uber project, it have the market capitalization of $7 million. And the project of the logistical thing is $700 million. If you compare and could imagine which problems we could solve on this road or on this market, I think it's a big round. Yeah, we started with our ICO, so we're right now with the ICO round, and we started with 300. So after a few weeks, we just got 300 Ethereums. So the next round was 600, and now we are on the way to get closed our ICO with 15,000 Ethereums. Here we go. You can see the site, and yeah, if you have some questions, you can ask.
Perfect timing. Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So we have a bit more time for questions. I think, okay, I will just give the word to Sven.
I think everyone has the same questions. Why the hat?
Why the what? The hat. So I can explain you, as I was 1 month ago in Kazakhstan, and I was born in Kazakhstan. After 9 years, I've moved there. It was my first visit, and now I'm sleeping with the hat.
Okay, you had different questions?
First of all, it's a great market. It's the logistic market, one of the biggest markets in the world. Second, you will not solve this problem. Sorry for that, because the presentation, the ICO page, and so on, that couldn't be honest. If this is the blockchain market in the moment, we will lose everyone. Sorry to be so hard on that, but
yeah,
that doesn't work in the moment.
Maybe there's on the market lots of people which are starting the projects and then cancel. You know, 90% of the projects are done. I'm also an investor and investing in lots of projects. And so lots of scammers. But we are open, we're talking, and we have a big group in Kiev which are programming. Maybe. Let's see what happens.
All right, so any other questions?
If somebody have a technical question, just come up to our stand, and I will invite the founder and we're gonna talk.
Could you just tell where your stand is and which part, so that...
It's in this part, it's in the lunch area we had.
Okay, perfect. So feel free to ask questions to the project World Wi-Fi, QUASA, yeah, QUASA, to Eugene.
Thank you.
In the lunch area. Thank you.